On this week's 2-minute tip, one of the most underrated cool weather crops in the vegetable garden. So this right here is kohlrabi, and it's quickly becoming one of my favorite cool weather crops to grow. Kohlrabi is a brassica, which means it's related to crops like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and even collards. Kohlrabi has two edible parts. You've got the leaves, and then you've got the bulb right here. Now the bulb here, once you peel away this purple flesh, is going to be white on the inside, and it's going to have a texture much like a turnip root. But the taste of it is a lot similar to cabbage, and some people even say it tastes kind of like a raw cucumber. Now you can take these bulbs and cut them up and put them in your favorite stir fry, but I like to eat them raw. Either take them and shred them up and make a coleslaw out of them, or just cut them up and put some salt and pepper on them and you're good to go. Now you can direct seed or transplant kohlrabi, but I found it does much better when transplanted. And much like a lot of the other cool weather crops I grow, I like to plant them on double rows with drip irrigation in the middle. So I'll lay me a row of drip tape down and then plant a row of kohlrabi on each side of that drip tape. These things don't need a ton of space to grow, so along the row I'll put the kohlrabi plants about 8 to 10 inches apart. As far as seeds go, we offer two varieties of kohlrabi. We've got the purple Vienna, which I showed you earlier, and then the white Vienna kohlrabi. Now they're pretty much going to have the same flavor. The difference is going to be the color of bulb. You've got one with a purple bulb and the other one kind of has a light green bulb. So for your cool weather plantings, I'd highly recommend adding kohlrabi to the rotation. It grows really fast, it grows really easy, has great taste and texture, and I think it will quickly become one of your go-to fall and winter vegetables. I hope you enjoyed this week's 2-minute tip. We'll see you next week.